In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose the scopes of a connector in Base44 quickly and easily. This is a simple settings change, but it can make a big difference when you want your connector to have the right level of access for your workflow. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Base44 tips and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, click the profile icon in the bottom left corner of your Base44 dashboard. This is where you'll find your account and workspace settings. After that, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look for connectors and click on it. This section shows all the connectors connected to your account. Next, find the connector you want to update and click View. This will open the connector details so you can review its current configuration. From there, click Edit. Now you'll be able to change the connector settings, including its scope. Look for the drop-down menu and select your preferred scope from the available options. Make sure you choose the one that matches exactly what you want the connector to be able to access. Once you've selected the correct scope, click Save Changes. That will apply the new settings immediately. And that's it. You've now changed the scope of a connector in Base44. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.